Hey everybody, this is Joshua from JSP Style and Performance, and this is the Micro Show. And this is a 1994 Suzuki Carry pickup truck. This vehicle was built in Japan before it was imported here into the US in 2021. It comes with a clean title and it's registered, and of course is built like a street truck. The guys in Japan did a phenomenal job building this truck out. They painted it a desert brown and added a whole bunch of American classic performance muscle brands all over it, like Holley, Weian, and of course Snap-on. Now, none of those performance brands are really represented in performance parts on this truck other than Snap-on, and you can see that right in the palm of your left hand with a Snap-on screwdriver shift knob. Pretty unique. Now, the exterior of this truck is beautifully built, and I absolutely love micro trucks, pretty much because they're like a regular pickup, but they're just smaller. They're compact, and of course it's a right-hand drive. Now, the exterior of this truck has a couple of unique features on it, such as the custom front bumper and of course the rare 1980s, early 80s Tomcat Speed one-piece wheels. Definitely fit the style of this truck to make it more of a street truck, and of course give it a little bit of that performance. Now, the one thing you may have noticed, especially on the passenger side, the left side of the truck, is the exhaust that comes out right in front of the rear wheels. Now, the motor in this car, when they came out from factory, was 657cc engine, known as the F6A, a inline 3 fuel injected motor, which produced about 50 horsepower. You know, that's pretty good and all, but when you're building a street truck, you gotta have some performance points. And the guys in Japan, well, they swapped in a turbocharger, making this thing so much more fun to drive, and of course, gives off a lot of beautiful sounds as you're going down the road. It's all made up to a 4-speed manual transmission, and of course, it has disc brakes on all 4 wheels. And the interior is pretty damn comfortable. Now, you might be thinking to yourself, you looked a little bit squished in there, and you know what? I am a little bit squished, but I'm 6.5 feet tall. I got a ton of headroom, and I've got a lot of leg room to work the pedals. I may not want to sit in this vehicle for more than about 2 hours or so, but I absolutely love these vehicles. I love how small they are, how compact, and how unique they are when they stand out when you take them out to shows and of course drive them around town. This vehicle is great for going down the highway at speeds at about 50 to 70 miles an hour. With that turbo, you get a little extra boost power as well. But the nice part about this truck is that it's got 56,000 kilometers, which is just pretty damn low. And of course, it's got factory AC, a JVC radio, and a boost gauge right up on top. So we're going to take this thing out for a run. These trucks are becoming more and more popular, especially here in the US, and social media is making these things blast off like a storm. The best part about it is how much fun and easy they are to drive. This would make a great shop truck or anybody who wants to just get around town, and of course take it out to car shows. A lot of these trucks are starting to pop up, but a lot of them are stock. There's not a whole lot of companies out here in the US that build modified parts for these trucks. A lot of times you got to import them from Japan, and let's be honest, that's a pricey penny. But this thing is literally so much fun to drive. The 4-speed shifts nice and smooth. The car rides nice and smooth as well. And of course, those turbo sounds, woo, I cannot get enough of them. 1994 Suzuki Carry pickup truck that's been modified in Japan, imported into the States in 2021, comes with a clean Florida title, is registered, and of course, is a vehicle that no one else has got. You can send me a message at my email at jspHotRodParts@gmail.com or message me on one of these platforms. Either it's YouTube, Facebook, eBay, or Haggerty Racing Junk. There's a couple of other websites I'm working on posting to, but just send me a message and I'll get you more details about how to buy this vehicle. And of course, if you need help with shipping, I might be able to refer a couple of different shipping agencies to help get this vehicle from Florida to your state. Until next time, please subscribe to this YouTube channel. More videos to come up soon. Like this video and of course, share the listing. More people need to see how awesome these trucks are, and you definitely need to have it in your garage.